Top of the morning to you. That guy froze there for a while. Welcome. So, I just thought I'd say hi and, whoa, bye. No. So, I've actually got a little quick lesson today, so I want to show this first. This is a home video for those of you classic tale lovers of my wife reading Peter Rabbit. I'll leave a YouTube video link so you could watch the full version after this math video. What? It's my dog Max in the fireplace. Who's that?
Hello everyone, this is story time with Grandmama. Gather round children. Here I want to introduce you to two people. This is Peter Rabbit and his friend Lily. And today I'm going to tell you the story, the tale of Peter Rabbit by Beatrix Potter.
That's my wife.
Once upon a time there were 4 little rabbits, and their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter.
That's me, Peter.
They lived with their mother in a sandbank underneath.
So make sure you come back
This
and learn
rabbit
about what
took a
happens
basket,
to the adventures of Peter.
and then he ate some
Rabbits.
radishes.
Whoa! So just wanted to show that to you guys. So today's lesson, Introduction to Logarithms, is pretty quick and easy. And in fact, the thing that if you're doing Canvas at home study or not, 2020, so it'll just be a quick maybe one problem on there, and then did you understand, or 2 problems, and then did you understand the whole idea, and you say yes, and you get full points. So a really easy concept, and you don't even have to do every single one on here because I'm not going to have every single problem on Canvas. Got some review, which is good. That probably won't be on Canvas. So I just want to make sure you understand this quick and easy concept this week, along with solving exponentials. And so basically we're just rewriting each equation in logarithmic form. So what I mean by logarithmic form is, first of all, this is a true statement, right? 14 squared equals 196. Let's prove it. Or not. What the? There we go. Okay, so 14 squared is 196. Cool. Well, the opposite or the inverse of that is also true. What do you mean, Mr. Gibbo? Well, it turns out that the log base 14 of the solution, 196, equals the exponent 2. See how those kind of go together hand in hand? So we're going to show you that here today to see how that kind of works. So we'll just kind of put this right here, and then so basically our answer is just rewriting the statement is all it is. So super easy concept, really good to use this when you're solving exponentials or logarithms. Okay, so how it works, if you look here, is you write it in the form of an L. So we're going to go like this. We're going to do log base 14, so log base 14 of my solution, 196, equals 2. And that's just the answer. Log base 14 of 196 equals 2. Cool. So this is the same thing. So log of base 19 of our solution x equals our exponent y. And there's our answer to number 2. So again, the formula is log base of the solution equals the exponent, right? So you give it a try. We'll do one more to show you how easy these are. It's all about the base. Log base 18 of our solution, which is 324, equals our exponent, which is 2. Boom. So you can practice those on this worksheet and bust a bunch of those out so you got it memorized and you're really good at it. That's supposed to be a 3. Sorry. Excellent. So give those a try. When you get to these ones, this was just a review of doing the unit circle. Do you remember this? 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6. Oh, here's 5 pi over 6 right there. What's the exact trig value of cosine? Well, do you remember it goes cosine and then sine? And so cosine of 5 pi over 6 is, remember this distance? So up here, let's see, 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6. I messed up somewhere. 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6. No, wait, 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6. No, what the? Let me try that again. Sorry. And again, these won't be on Canvas. This is just review for your own knowledge and benefit. That's it. Okay, so 1 pi over 6 goes there. 2 pi over 6. 3 pi over 6 reduced to pi over 2. And then we have 4 pi over 6. Yeah, we got it right. 5 pi over 6. So 5 pi over 6 goes here. And so it goes cosine and sine. This is the further distance, 0.866. Or negative radical 3 over 2. Sine of 5 pi over 6 would be up a half. Since it's cosine, it's just going to be negative radical 3 over 2 is our answer. So you could try number 14. Secant is just 1 over cosine of that thing, which is negative 4 pi over 6. Okay, so now we're going to be doing we did rewriting in logarithmic form, and now we're going to be rewriting in exponential form. And so do a few of these, or all of them, or a few of them, on the back side. Well, this is at the bottom, but also do the back side. And so this is very similar, but now we're going to do the E, exponential, right? Exponential form is doing an E. Does that look like an E? Yes, it does, kind of. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start at our base, which is just 3, because it's all about our base. About that base, no trouble. So we have base goes down always first. Even going the other way, still goes down first. So base 3 to the exponent. Remember, this is the exponent. Let's write that out. Or not. Why is it being so slow? Okay. Oh, not responding. Oh, there it is. Okay. So 3 to the exponent, which is 3 to the third power. And so 3 to the third power is going to be equal to 3 to the third power is going to be equal to 27. And that is a true statement, because 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. Okay, so our answer is just rewriting these in exponential form. So for number 16, we have a base of 169 to the exponent, which is the negative 1/2 power, is equal to 1 over 13. And that's true because the negative makes the 169 go to the bottom, and then the half means square root it, which is 13. Cool. Making sense? Making sense. So these are rewriting it in exponential form. Go to the back side of your worksheet now. And so like I said, you won't necessarily have to do all these once you get the hang of it, and then just nip on there to Canvas and just do a couple problems that I put on there. I'll randomly select a couple from this worksheet, and then you get the full points, which is awesome. Then you learn how to rewrite exponential and logarithms. So again, we bring down the base, so 15 to the squared power equals 225. And 15 times 15 is 225. Nice. And this actually reminds me of my favorite number, 15 squared, because when I was on a car road trip from California up to Wyoming, I started playing with numbers like I was a math genius, even though I wasn't. And I thought, is there another way? And I actually discovered this amazing formula for squaring numbers. What? You square the first number, and you square the second number, so 1 and 2 and 25. And then you multiply them together, 1 times 5, and then you double it. This works every time. Double it, times it by 2. So then we get 1, 5 times 5. 5 times 2, so 10. And then you just add to the left. What? No way, this is amazing. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 5. What? That was amazing, Newville. 225, 15 squared. 225, that's amazing. So again, rewriting these in exponential form. Don't freak out if you see a fraction. And so 14 to the negative 2 power, right? Base 14 to the negative 2 power equals 1 over 196. Show you a video of my sheep next time. And I'll prove it to you. So 14 to the, need a drink of water, Dewald? Sorry, dry throat. 14 to the negative 2 power equals, then you go to math fraction, and there it is, 1 over 196. This is a true statement, and also it's a true statement, and also we got the form right. That's 196, by the way. Cool. So carry on these ones and rewriting these from logarithms back into exponential. Don't forget a bit of factoring view there to help you at home, and a bit of graphing absolute value. And don't forget that you can just pull out the 3, so this becomes an x minus 1. And then this just means to go right 1, and then down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this is just our slope of 3. And so our slope of 3 is going to go up 1, 2, 3 over 1. Up 1, 2, 3 over 1. Up 1, 2, 3 back 1. Up 1, 2, 3 back 1. So there's number 30. You give number 29 a try. So this is just review. Probably not going to be on Canvas for your submission, but still good to do and review. Awesome. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Whoa, where'd you guys go? I better fix that later. Bye for now. Bye. Thanks for watching.